Dear students, welcome to this audio visual English class for class 9. Very often we meet several people on our way to school or on our return from school. Who are those people? They are vendors. Look at the picture. He is a vendor. And hawkers. Look at this picture. The man moves from place to place and calls or attracts his customers by calling loudly. That is called hawkers. And handicapped persons, physically disabled persons known as handicapped or दिव्यांग बोली कहते. So we meet these people on our way to school or on a return from school. Actually, these handicapped persons deserve sympathy from others. Though they are not capable of doing their usual work like ours, they deserve sympathy, they need our help, but at times they do not get it. On the other hand, there are a few who, being handicapped, never like to have others pity or mercy. They always try to do something special which seems difficult even on the part of an able person. एमती देखा जाए जो कार्य गुड़िक जड़े सुस्थ सबल मनीष बा शारीरिक भाव में ठीक थिबा मनीष क्षेत्र में जहाँ असंभव बोली मन हुए ताकू एई दिव्यांग व्यक्ति विशेष गण सफलतार सहित समापन करी समाज पर उदाहरण सृष्टि करथांती. तेणु सेमाने केबे कहार दया बा करुणार प्रार्थी हेबाकू चाहती नहीं. So let us read a story about a young Indian girl of 19 being affected by polio was able to pursue the English channel. Her crippled leg, crippled means तर जो ओका भी हो जाइथिबा बा कार्य क्षम नथिबा गोड़ दुइटी. Her crippled legs did not create any problem in swimming. And the name of the topic or the title of the topic is The Swimmer Who Doesn't Need Her Legs. Let us read the text. Part 1 of the text, paragraph 1. Imagine swimming across a pool with your feet dragging you down. Now imagine having the courage to swim across the English Channel in a similar fashion. Unbelievable, isn't it? In spite of having legs made useless by polio, she and Janaki has become the first handicapped person to be part of a successful team crossing the channel. It was in 1987 that Janaki was struck by polio. As a child, she got the idea of trying to swim the English Channel, so she conveyed this to the English Channel Swimming Association for details, and they replied that two conditions have to be met before a swimmer is allowed to make an attempt. The swimmer, condition A, the swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. Condition B, the swimmer should be able to do marathon swimming, that is he or she should be able to swim in the high seas for long hours at a stretch. Paragraph 3. Janaki began training very hard in Bangalore to fulfill these conditions. After almost 4 years of training, she said, I was able to spend 10 hours at a stretch in the swimming pool. An NIS coach, Mr. Gopal, gave me a certificate saying that he had seen me swim for 10 hours continuously. प्रथम आम तीनोटी पाराग्राफ संबंध आलोचना करवा. परवर्ती पर्यायर अन्य पाराग्राफ को जीवा. तेरे पाराग्राफ गुड़िक तुम मान किसी नुआ शब्द रही से नुआ शब्द एवं तार अर्थ जाना. इंग्लिश चैनल Each and every swimmer must have a desire to swim across the English Channel. And English Channel, the narrow sea passage that separates England from France, England and France. This narrow sea passage, which is called channel. Channel is that water body separates two huge landforms, England or UK and France are two big landforms, and this channel separates from England, separates England and France. This is called English Channel. There are some other new words that imagine, think or feel. The sentence, I imagine singing like a cuckoo. Then drag, another new word for you, drag, to pull hard along a surface. Then courage, fearlessness, in a similar fashion, in that way, or in that manner, or in that style. Fashion means a style or manner. Unbelievable, not to be believed, incredible, vishwasaniya, unbelievable. Handicapped, having the physical ability, disability of being able to walk. You got this picture. The girl is a handicapped girl, and another one also a handicapped girl. They cannot walk properly. They to take the help of these tools. There is no that two crutches. They took the help of two crutches to walk. And there are some other new words: struck, affect or ill with, convey, let know or expressed, marathon, long distance or long time, at a stretch without stopping and continuously unstopped. In the first paragraph of the topic, the writers urges the readers to imagine an unbelievable situation, that swimming across a pool with your feet dragging you down. Really, it is unbelievable because our legs help us to swim in water. If a person doesn't have legs or having legs of disabled condition, useless condition, then it became very difficult on his or her part to swim in the sea or in a pool, in water. So it is unbelievable. A handicapped girl named C.N. Janaki, who could part swim the English Channel in a relative, and she became the first handicapped person or handicapped girl as a member of the relative. And Janaki was struck by polio in 1987 when she was a child, and she got the idea of swimming the channel. Janaki's childhood dream was to swim the English Channel. She got the idea of swimming the English Channel since her childhood, but unfortunately she was affected by polio in 1987. दुर्भाग्यवशतः से छोट बेलू जो आशा पोषण करथिला, जो लक्ष्य रखिथिला जे से इंग्लिश चैनल पहरिब, समस्त तुम मान जीवन में जमी गोटे गोटे लक्ष्य अच्छी, तार भी जानकी से किसी गोटे लक्ष्य था जे से इंग्लिश चैनल पहरिब, कि दुर्भाग्यवशतः छोट बेलू से पोलियो रोग में आक्रांत हो निजर गोड़ दुईटी को अकामी कर बसिले, बट सी कुड नॉट live her childhood dream. Actually, dream, according to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the word dream is not that we have during our sleep or when we are sleeping. Dream is that which would not let us sleep. जहाँ शोईकी देखा जाए ताहा स्वप्न नुहे, स्वप्न होची ताहा जहाँ आमको शुआई दिए। ये होची आमर प्रिय राष्ट्रपति, पूर्वतन राष्ट्रपति स्वर्गत डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम कथा। जहाँ जानकी मध्य से लक्ष्य छाड़ी पारि नथिला, पोलियो रोग आक्रांत हो गोड़ को अकामी, गोड़ दुईटी अकामी हो गला पर मध्य से छाड़ी पारि नथिले। So to fulfill her dream, she conveyed her desire to the English Channel Swimming Association, and within a very short time, a reply came to her that she would be allowed to swim across the channel if she fulfills two conditions. Firstly, the swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water, and the second condition was the swimmer should be able to do marathon swimming, that is he or she should be able to swim in the high seas for long hours at a stretch. So secondly, the swimmer should be able to fit for marathon swimming. She should be a long distance swimmer. It means she should be able to swim in the high seas for long hours at a stretch. एककालीन व एका थरक से लंबा दीर्घ पथ पर्यंत पहुंच पारे। Then after getting the information, getting the reply from the English Channel Swimming Association officials, Janaki began training very hard in Bangalore to fulfill these conditions under an NIS coach, NIS National Institute of Sports, NIS coach Mr. Gopal. He took the responsibility of Janaki and he gave her a certificate that she was able to swim 10 hours continuously in water. In this way, Janaki was able to satisfy the first condition. This is all about the topic, the paragraph of 1, 2, 3 of the topic. Let us see some questions for you. Answer the question in a word or phrase. Who was Janaki? The first handicapped lady swimmer of India to first swim the English Channel. Second question, when did Janaki get the idea of swimming the channel? Since her early childhood. C. What did Janaki convey to the English Channel Swimming Association? Her idea of swimming the channel. Where did Janaki begin training very hard to fulfill the conditions? In Bangalore. And question number 5, who was the NIS coach in Bangalore? Mr. Gopal. And second question number 2, fill in the blanks. Janaki was struck by polio in 1987. The swimmer has to make conditions to make an attempt in the English Channel. The swimmer has to meet dash conditions, 2 conditions. The opposite of courage is discourage. The swimmer should be able to do dash swimming, marathon swimming. The narrow sea passage that separates England and France is known as the English Channel. Thank you.